So we're back here at Pop Stroke, and I guarantee you're saying, well, they just did that like a couple of months ago when it opened. Well, a lot of people did not like that we didn't play the course. So we're playing the hard course.
That's right.
Here.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here once again at Pop Stroke, and we're going to show you the course. So get ready, we got our friends with us, and we're doing girls against boys. And as you can see, we got our friends with us today, and we're going to start right here on number 1. Let's see who wins.
So you can put it on the scorecard like we're going to do, or you can put it up there on the overhead projector.
So what you do is you scan it like you have to do to order. And then I guess once you scan, it says where you can start your game, and it will keep score for you. Let's go. Check it out. y'all go. Look, that's what happens. Look, aren't y'all proud of yourselves? Look at that. Look at that faces. Look, you couldn't be more proud. that was a look at pipe stroke right here in Myrtle Beach. You wanted to see the course, and hopefully you got to see what you're looking for, and hopefully you'll come play one day.
Right, now we played the blue course, we didn't play the black course, so they said the blue was a little bit more challenging, and it was pretty challenging. Just to let you know that $30 per person lets you play both courses all day, as long as you want to. You can leave, go get something to eat somewhere else, go shopping, and come on back. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
All right, see you in the next video. I know y'all are dying to know who won. Well, it was the girls, and it was about to come up a storm, so we had to head on out, and it's really loud there, so we couldn't complete our ending. But hope you enjoyed the video.
Yes, and the score was 46-45, so they beat us by 1 stroke, and I think they cheated.
That's a lie. You know, girl power. Hey, all righty.